Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable remote desktop on Windows 10 PC. For this, first click on this one Start button, then click on Settings, then click System. In the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Remote Desktop. On the right sidebar, you will find Enable Remote Desktop. Turn on this one toggle switch, then click on this one Confirm button. Now remote desktop is enabled and you will find your PC name here that you can use to connect from your remote device, and in case you want to disable this one remote desktop connection, just turn off this one toggle switch and then click on this one confirm button. This will disable remote desktop on your Windows 10 PC.